creative minds. So my name is Usman Obayemi again. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can easily turn your image to cartoon in a few minutes by using your smartphone and Chatgpt. I've been receiving a lot of messages about how it's been done. So based on that, this tutorial will be walking you through all the processes that you need to do in order to turn your image to cartoon. So without being wasting much of our time, let's get started. And before we dive in, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and also press the notification button so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I upload any of my future tutorial. So the first thing I will do now is that let me just open my data connection. So I walk you through how you can easily use Chatgpt. I don't think I have it on my phone now. So let me go to Play Store. If you don't have it, you can easily download it from Play Store. It's a free app that is very useful. You can do a lot of things with Chatgpt. So this is Chatgpt. So this is the app. So I will not be installing it here because I like using the website a lot, because the website gives me a kind of things that I like. So I like using the website a lot, though this app tool is working properly, but I don't just like using it. So let's go to the app. So I'll just go to Chrome. I think I have it here. I save it here. So you can go to Chrome and search for Chatgpt. So you can search for Chatgpt. So this is chatgpt.com. So you can quickly search for it. Alright, so just be patient and wait for it to load. As you can see, it has been loaded. So all you have to do here is that you need a picture. Like, you have to upload a picture first and ask Chatgpt to turn that picture to cartoon. Just watch me carefully and see how I will do it here. So the first thing you will do here is that, just wait a little bit. The first thing you will do here is that you see this plus icon here. Just click on it. Whenever you click on, just click on add photos. So just locate your gallery. Just locate the picture in your gallery, any picture you want to use. I was thinking that maybe I should just use this picture. Let me use this picture. So after you've clicked on the picture, just wait for it to load. Just wait like a few seconds for it to load. As you can see, the picture is loading already. So after the loading has finished, all you have to do here is that you just type something like Ghibli version. Okay, you can ask Chatgpt that give me a Ghibli version of this pictures. Give me a Ghibli. So here's the prompt that you will use. Give me a Ghibli version of this picture. So after you've written that, you just click on this check mark and send. So just wait a little bit and Chatgpt will do the work for you. As you can see, the image is working underground. So Chatgpt will generate the image for you just in a few seconds. At times it may take a minute, so you just have to be patient here. Alright, as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see, the background, everything is there. So the only thing that Chatgpt changed for me is just the pictures, and that's what I wanted. So if Chatgpt has generated the picture finished, you can just click on the image and click on download. As you can see, so it has been downloaded. So you can easily check your gallery and do it. So you can do it like you can also use any picture to do it, but just know that if you are using Chatgpt, the premium version is, the limit of the picture that you can generate for the free version is, I think it's 30. So if you want a premium version, you can easily subscribe for it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification button so that you will be the first person to get notified whenever I want to upload any of my future tutorials. Thank you for staying with me since the beginning of this video to the end. See you in the next video. Bye for now.